Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI to review a pull request before you merge it, catching bugs, security issues, and missing tests. Okay, this is useful whether you are the one who opened the pull request and want a second pair of eyes before you ask a teammate, or you're the one assigned to review. Let's do it all through the Claude AI. First, let me show you the pull review description first. The file that I have. Let me only launch it up. I'll do it on the second screen. Okay, in here we have it's the PR description. You can take a look how it presents. Okay. Now, that's our pull request. It adds discount codes to a shopping cart function. The description says that it was tested manually, but no automated tests were added. That's already a flag worth keeping in mind. So now we need to make sure before we start, of course, in Claude, select the co-work function, and down below you need to select the folder in which we are going to work in. I mean, the Claude will work in this folder, but you gotta simply make sure that you have selected the right folder. Okay, now I will open both sample projects that I have prepared. That's the original one, and that's the pull request branch. This is how it looks like. Okay, on the left it's the original function, calculate total, and on the right is the pull request version. It adds a discount code parameter and a new get discount helper. At a glance it looks reasonable, but let's have Claude actually review it instead of eyeballing it. So now we can close it up. Now I'll paste the review prompt that points Claude at both versions of the file and the PR description and asks for the feedback sorted by severity. But to do it, I gotta go back in that folder because I have only selected the file sample project, so that is why I gotta click on add a folder, and I need to do it a little bit differently. I'll select the whole files folder. Okay, then I think actually it can work in both in many files at the same time. I can select the sample project folder in which I have those two files that I have shown you before, the functions, and the files folder in which I have the PR description. So let's do it in that way. Okay. So now we gotta enter the prompt for our Claude. I have it prepared. It's the initial PR review. I have a pull request I would like you to review. The base version of the file is set files sample project original card.py, and the proposed changes are in files sample project PR branch card.py. Please read the PR description in files PR description, then compare the two versions of card.py and give me a code review. Call out any bugs, security issues, missing input validation, missing tests, and code quality concerns. Organize your feedback by severity: must fix, should fix, and nice to have. Now simply tap on enter, and now the Claude will do the magic. So now we gotta keep waiting. We gotta let the response finish generating. Okay, we have the must fix and should fix, and also nice to have. As you can see, everything worked. For now, we are not done yet. So that's our review. Claude flagged the bare except in get discount as must fix, pointed out that there's no validation capping at discount at 100%, and note the missing input checks on price and quantity. It also called out that no tests were added for the no code path. Okay. That's the must fix section. Okay. Now let's ask the Claude to explain the actual risk. Okay, and for that we are going to use the second prompt. It looks like that in my case. You flagged the bare except in get discount. Can you explain why that's risky here and what could go wrong in production if we leave it as it is? Let's enter the prompt. It's also what makes this tool useful is the thing that the Claude is explaining why something is a problem, so we can decide whether it actually matters for our code base. Okay, and we have the reply. You can take a look on your own. Okay, we have the answer. Now let's enter a third prompt to ask for a fix, how to fix that simply. Let's enter the prompt. Boom. Please rewrite card.py to address the must fix and should fix issues you found. Keep the discount code feature but add proper input validation. Replace the bare except with something safer and cap discounts at 100%. Save the corrected version to files sample project PR branch card.fixed.py. Boom. Okay, all checks pass. So basically, I asked it to keep the discount feature, but add input validation, get rid of the bare except and cap the discount at 100%, and to save the result as a new file so we can compare it side by side with original pull request. Okay, now we have the response. Let's see the corrected version. Let's go to my documents, files, sample project, PR branch, and we now have the file card.fixed.py. We can check it. Okay, and there we have it. Let me scroll down through it so I can take a look. That the Claude did its job. Okay. And that is the thing. That's the corrected version. You can now see, actually, I'll open it up once again in the card fixed. That the discount is now capped. Invalid codes are handed instead of being swallowed by a bare accept, and there's a check for negative price or quantity checks in our whole code. Okay. And one more thing we're doing before we post this review, we can turn it into an actual command for the pull request. So we are not just copying a wall of AI output straight into a GitHub. I have the 4th prompt prepared for that, and it's generating a PR comment. Write a short friendly PR review comment I could post on GitHub, summarizing the must fix issues. Write it like a helpful teammate, not a linter. Enter. Okay, and there we have it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.